our approach now is a time for diplomacy, for a strong diplomacy. We also do really believe that with the leadership of President Trump, we could achieve long-lasting, just peace. And it is crucial, it is really very important not to manipulate with this term, just long-lasting peace for Ukraine, and we count on the support of international community, the obstacle to achieve peace. Let's see what will be the response from Russian side to settle ceasefire. Ukraine supported US proposal about ceasefire. This meeting in Jeddah between Ukrainian and US delegations sped up the process. And if we are talking about Ukrainian side, we are ready to start to implement the outcomes of Jeddah meetings. Joint efforts and joint support, strong international support, we do really expect from Russian side unconditional yes for ceasefire. You know that probably today, according to the public statements, we could expect telephone conversation between President Trump and President Putin. So we do really hope that we will get more clear situation after this conversation. Third country has a right to block our will or our way to participate in any union, in any alliances. That's our principal positions.